All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of his rich and varied heritage. I shall always stay to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion. Indra will be Abras Party. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. Today's news bulletin is brought to you by Grade-VIII Sapphire. International news is brought to you by B. Bharat Prasad from Grade-VIII Sapphire. International news: 10 including 9 children killed in Pakistan attack Afghanistan province Taliban. Trump US protected 10 states for Myanmar nations. Thank you. Today's national news is brought to you by Bangladesh of Grade-VIII Sapphire. National news: Ayodhya Ram Temple, PM Modi votes Saffron flag marking of completion of constitution.
Pay attention, boy.
Balcony ash plums. Air India cancels flight. Connects inspiration of aircraft. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Venkatesh. I am from Grade-VIII Sapphire. Today's state and sport news. State news: BRS plans expose Congress betrayal of BCS at national level. CM Revanth Reddy launches developments in Korangal. Sports news: ICC T20 World Cup schedule. India to face Pakistan on February 15 at Colombia. Thank you. Good morning everyone. Today weather report is brought to you by Pradyul Sai from Grade-VIII Sapphire. Weather report: maximum temperature 29 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 19 degrees Celsius, wind speed 19 km per hour, humidity 80%, precipitation 10%, air quality good. Thank you. That's the end of today's news bulletin. Good morning everyone. Today's thought is brought to you by B. Mahendra of Grade-VIII Sapphire. Mathematics is the most beautiful and most powerful creature for the human spirit. I'll repeat once more. Mathematics is a beautiful and most powerful creature for the human spirit. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Happy morning everyone. Today's word is brought to you by Omchi from Grade-VIII Sapphire. Variable: a symbol for a value that can change. Friends, please spell after me. Variable: V-A-R-I-A-B-L-E. Variable. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. This is Adhika of Grade-VIII Jasper. Today brought to you thought. Science grows when we question boldly and observe carefully. I repeat it again. Science grows when we question boldly and observe carefully. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Chanakya from Grade-VIII Sapphire. Today I am going to tell importance of maths. Maths is not just subject, it is also fundamental to daily life. It helps us in simple equations like shopping, cooking and planning travels or managing finance. It provides bases like logical reasoning, critical thinking and other subjects like physics, chemistry. It is helping us to know the world around us. Maths is not about numbers, equations, computations. It is about understanding. Thank you.
Everyone, today's GK questions are brought to you by B. Gautam of Grade-VIII Sapphire. Question for Grade 7. What is the value of cos 360? No, you did not pick the correct answer and the answer is 1. Question for Grade 8. When is Pi Day celebrated around the world?
March 20.
Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is March 14. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade 9. If 2x is equals to 9, what is the value of x?
9 by 2.
Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is 3. Let us all appreciate him. Open questions. What is the average of first 50 natural numbers? I repeat my question. What is the average of first 50 natural numbers? No, you did not pick the right answer and the answer is 25.5. What is the melting point of tungsten? I repeat my question. What is the melting point of tungsten?
No, you did not pick the any answer. Answer is 3422. What is 15% of 200? 30. Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is 30. Let us appreciate him. What is the hardest formula in mathematics?
Stand properly.
I repeat my question. What is the hardest formula in mathematics? There is no hardest formula in mathematics. It depends upon the question. Thank you.